Are your online marketing activities burning through cash and not delivering any results? Are you overwhelmed with technology? Are you not generating enough leads? Take comfort in the fact that you are not alone. Know that there is a solution.
My name is David Caruso and I'm going to be your host for the next 3.5 hours.
Watch it online from the comfort of your own home or office.
The most important aspect in the learning process is not the how. So here's the bombshell.
Learn how to get your business on page 1 of Google.
SEO company will charge you $1,000 per month upwards.
Discover breakthrough strategies to help you grow your business faster and easier than ever before.
Marketing, on the other hand, is coming to the marketplace first and saying, what are you looking for in a product?
Avoid the marketplace shift that is sending many business owners to the wall.
Don't get any clicks? Don't pay a single cent.
David will share with you the secret web strategy that transformed a local suburban caterer into an Australian-wide multi-million-dollar-a-year powerhouse.
That you would never look at your website the same way again.
It promises to be the best investment you will make for your business this year. And you want to improve your quality of life, not just for you, but for the people that you love and you care about. Then the next step for you is to register for the How to Generate More Leads and Sales half-day webinar workshop.
I would like to build you a free website. Hands up, who would like a free website off David Caruso? Yep, okay. Can't see you, but I'm kind of hoping that you put your hand up.
Reserve your seat now. Limited seats available.